Hello everyone, this is Randy Rodenhouse with Trade the Future. Today I want to start with the yen. I want to talk about a little bit about channels. And in the yen yesterday, uh, we had an incredible breakout. We had kind of a channel going here, down here, which is basically here and here. You could draw the channel here and here too, but no matter how you drew it, um, I actually took a breakout above this high here, and as you can see, this market just took off, came back a little bit, then took off, came back, and then obviously overnight it's been taken off. So um, the power of channels, something you have to look for, especially in the yen. You'll say things like this. I mean, even here you'll see it. Look, I mean, if you look here, of course, this is it was in the down. Sorry, it was going down, and then this is it channeled here, and then it broke that channel and boom, came down, and then came here. A lot of times I was actually suspecting it to come down. So if you look here, actually, it broke this channel and kind of faked everyone out, and then it came back and broke the channel on the high side. Oh, that's a really powerful. Because typically, if it does a breakout to one side and fakes out and then breaks out to the other side, it's going to be very powerful in that other direction. So that's something I wanted to point out today and show everyone. Again, here's the channel, and if you had not been, up to this point, you hadn't seen these data points, and you had put a stop, let's say down here, and it broke out, you'd be basically making some money. Then it would come back and break out. I would probably move my stop to break even, and then put my stop basically above this channel again right here. And as you can see, then it just took off. So I see this a lot in the yen, but the channels are very powerful. Let's move on to the E-mini now. The E-mini, there's not much to say here, but down we go. We got the jobs report out at 8:30, and at this point I wouldn't be going long until it gives some indication that it wants to go that direction. Right now it looks like it's just consolidating in this area right here. Oops, it's consolidating in this area right here, and breakout could be in either direction. Now we could get some upswing if we got a good jobs number. I don't know how long it would last. If that did happen, it would probably be short-lived, but we could definitely get back up into this area, which is 730 area. So watch out for those resistance points. The last market I want to talk about today is the yen, and move this chart up a little bit. What I want to note here is the chart. The thing I just had on there was a Fibonacci retracement. If you go from this point here to this point up here, and you do the Fibonacci, 50% is right about here. Is where we're at right now. This is what? This is 68%. Interesting. So it went right down to the 68% mark, came back. Now it's at 50%. As we speak this morning, it's opening higher than yesterday's high, which is typically a sign that it's going to, well, it's either one or two things. Either if it stays above yesterday's high, which was 102.36, then I would, again, 102.36 was yesterday's high, and if it stays above that high, it'll probably continue to go higher. I don't know how much higher, because there is a lot of, this is a big downturn. I would, any profits you get, I would be moving my stop up pretty close. But if it actually comes back down and goes below 102, so if it goes below, gets less than 102, then I'd look at shorting the market again. Basically what happens is it's going to go up and then and boom, you know, it's going to open up today, sorry, and if it comes down below the close of yesterday, it usually will keep going down in the down direction. I don't expect that to happen today. I think we're going to hold this. This will kind of be support right here. Support. Soup. Support. I don't know if I'm going to fit it on here. So this will be support. This area, this is basically 102.36, 102, that area. If it gets past this area of support here, then it'll probably go back down. Alright, I am going to start doing more technical analysis on some of these markets, and I'm going to try to get this done a little bit earlier in the day. Sorry for this coming out so late, and that way you can look at this stuff in the night. So I'll try to get it out by 7, 8 o'clock in the PM instead of this AM time frame. Alright, have a great day, make some money, and watch out for that 8:30 report.